Lucky these things are fully secured with the stainless steel tie strap, or else I wouldn't probably be able to move them like this. See, he does have some slack here. I mean, I can give it to him, but it's getting him to take it all the way in. That's a challenge. He's all into. Let me see if I could do this way. There we go. Kind of walk him in there. It's almost there, buddy. There we go. Oh, there we go. Knowing me, I want to go all the way. There we go. You guys can see here. He's getting there. He's got a little bit more to go. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on top here. Maybe you guys can see a better angle. Very top. See the struggle. It's real. And we're going to prepare to screw it down soon before he decides to come back out. So let me go and get his little thing out. Bring this guy almost closer. He's ready to almost come and play. Actually, you know what? Move him back a little bit. Oh, man. Okay, so here we go. So what I do is just give it some feet and let the tip do his own thing. Just do a little wiggle. I think it's almost ready. I hope I didn't put any pressure on these fins at all. I shouldn't have. There was no need to. I just held this. But this one looked like it's been pressured by something. Okay. It's like a snake now. It almost feels like a snake. The texture of these hose. All right, that's good right there. Oh. All right, let's bring this guy in and let's seal the deal. One down. One down. One more to go. Loosen it back up. I think I gotta loosen up way more. You guys probably get to see it now. Let's go take this guy back off of here. You can see I'm trying to get to all right. Trying to get the leg over without touching the grease. There's that grease here and there now. There we go. Okay. Let me go ahead and loosen this a little bit more. I think I'm loosening it. Yeah, I'm loosening it. It looks like it's rocking itself closed back. Okay, now the thing is, I want to tighten this before I actually tighten the hose, so let me go ahead and get prepared to tighten the hose first before I bring this guy up. So we gotta tighten this guy down now. 17mm socket. Same way, really. Gonna have some pressure, but it's the only way. Let's see. Righty tighty. The hose is just gonna come along for the ride. That was it? Oh yeah. Forgot because we pre-tightened it most of we can already, so it's actually ready. Just want to make sure though. Gotta crush that. Crush. Oh man. Yeah, sometimes you might have a habit of actually holding your fins on that, so yeah, you want to be careful. I think it's tight already now. I think okay, there we go. Let's give it good enough. I think it crushed the washer already. Okay, so this is good. Stabilize. So we're gonna bring this guy back in here. What I do is I kind of jiggle it. I give it slack here, pull it, and then I let the tip do its thing. There we go. It's way up there now. Really good. Okay, and let's chase this guy back up. Yep, there's no extra slack here, which is phenomenal. Okay. Now we're going to twist this accordingly to where we want it to, but we want to make sure we get it actually on the nipple, not on the actual hose. So we want to go, again, expose. You want to go between the first and the second hump. You don't want to go past the first hump. So it's got to be somewhere along the line. Right there. Facing. Keeping it consistent. Parallel. So you can see how much I flushed already. So that's beautiful. See how it's going straight. The other side of the clamp is tilted upward. It's on the same side, so the side has not changed because we kept the hose in line the same way. So right now I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on almost bolting them down. This guy right here still swings over here because I guess by default before. So let me get him out of the way. He's supposed to go over here. But he's gonna be the next challenge, huh? Let's go and get this one tightened down. That way we don't have to worry about one. One down, one more to go. Righty tighty, clockwise. Now the tool is very slippery, so I'm not even sure if I can twist it by hand. Yeah, I can. I can twist it a little bit. All right. Okay, let's go and finally tighten it down. These radiator fins are quite a bit amazing. Again, I'm supporting the head of this right here. I'm not sure you can see it, but when you tie it down, just make sure you support the head of your, you know, your hose clamp, or else, just in case, you know, decides to break loose on you or twist on you, you got most of it covered. Everything's clamped now. Okay, so what I'm doing is tightening it and supporting it. This guy needs to really get out of my way. I'm coming for you next, don't worry. There we go. Looks like I could probably get 1, 2, 3, maybe even the fourth little protruding slots here. You don't want to over tighten it either. I mean, just to make sure it doesn't. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I see the fourth one coming. That's how many you're actually going in the rail. See, it's almost. See, it's still able to glide. That's what you don't want. You want it to be able to get stiff, even though there's oil there. That's probably what's causing it. You just don't want it to glide. So it might need to go a little bit more tighter. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm getting almost 6 now. Okay, now I'm not able to twist it. Not anymore. Okay, so that's perfect right there. That's what you want. Enough where you can't twist the hose. I mean, unless you know, it comes off with the whole thing. So that's really tight there. So we know that our connection here is solid. There we go. So that one's done. Let's go and focus on the other one. Again, you want to make sure that you cannot twist the hose. If you need to replace the clamp, then replace the clamp, because it's better that way than having to find out later and then taking the whole engine off again. So that's probably something you don't want to do. Okay, so let's go and get this guy in here now. He's probably gonna be the same situation. He's just having a ball spilling all over the place. So let me go and get a clean shop rag. Wipe him out a little bit, any kind of dirt that might have got attached. Especially since this copper crusher here is kind of dirty. Alright, so here we go. This is good. Put him through. Again, it's going to be the same challenge. We might want to just take him off and then feed him back in. But we'll see. We'll see what we can do. Because right now I'm trying to flex him in here. And it's definitely not a lot of slack, but I think I can still get him in here. I'll have to also do some twisting. Righty-tighty. There we go. This is a square. This is as square as you're gonna get. Unfortunately, since he's in here, he's not letting me. So I might have to take him off. Take him off is a different challenge. Then we can rock him back on. Yeah, getting him off is the same challenge. If I can get a few thread in there, I mean, that's all I really need to get him off my back. I'll make sure I put the crush washer in there because I don't want to go through all this and then the crush washer's not even in there. Okay, so we'll keep trying. I'll have to twist the hose. How about that? That's fine. I can do that. I can twist the hose a little bit. Let's see, here's the challenge. Down. Try to get away off. It's all a mess here. We started out very clean, remember? Okay, so the challenge is I can start, maybe take them all the way to the furthest left and twist them around like this. You know, kind of give me a little bit of edge, but really not a lot. Okay. There we go, see? I can twist like that. But it's not really a guarantee that it's actually threading in, that's the problem. Where is it? I wish this thing was looser. Let's see if I can get it loose off of here. I mean, there's no need to create so much challenges here. Okay. Oh man. We tried cutting him off. You remember that one? That didn't work too well for us. Or what we could do is maybe, I'm thinking of maybe pre-loosen them up. I mean, not pre-loosen them up, but what do you call that? Pre-twist them. But when you pre-twist it, it creates a shorter cable, right? So how's that going to work for us? The idea is just to get them on here. You know what I'm thinking? Why not just cut this guy right here, really? I mean, how hard was it for us to really redo this again? Even though I don't have the special cutter anymore. Cut this guy right here. Bring it closer to us. But by me doing it this way, I can save us from having to tie strap it again. That's the thing. So let me try a few more times before I say forget it. We'll cut the tie strap, drop the radiator down. But right now, these hoses stretch a little bit, but they are perfectly slacked for just fitting it in. I'm sure I'll get the idea of this in a second. Oh my gosh, it makes me want to believe almost. Righty-tighty clockwise. I'm going clockwise. I'm even flexing it, bending it like this, so that way when it spins on its own, it grips it. And I think I did. Oh, thank goodness. One thread. Thank you, that's all I need. Gotta be careful now. Might not have a second chance at this guy. Come on. Okay. Continue. Continue the legacy, baby. All right. Get more. The more I can get in there, stronger. One thing about this one, at least we don't have to push. Right? We don't have to push anymore. I'll just have to stabilize this. The cable will follow. It always does. Man, this is messy. It's gonna be a little long process. We can see how it's twisted cable. The cable won't let it twist for too long before it tells it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You don't like the amateur cable. Cable's not supposed to follow like that crazy. It's supposed to let go. Yeah, I almost actually twist the cable. But we remember seeing how strong these cables were. You can cut it, but man, you can't rip it. I could do that. What I'm doing is grabbing the cable, holding it stable. That's why it's just twisting this on here. There we go. Come on. Let's halfway in there, so it's a good thing. I should just put this guy in. Well, I can. If I put him in there, and there's no way of me getting him out. This cable needs to really relax. Unbelievable crunch. I'm at the point where I'm not worried about the cable anymore. I'm just trying to get this bolted on tight. The cable looked like it's not giving up any more maximum turn anyway, so we should be okay. Then we'll get the cable straightened out as soon as we get this all the way bolted on. The oil is helping a little bit, the motor oil. Even though it's creating a lot more mess, but it's still helping. Almost. Get these out of the way. Oh. Definitely did my finger exercise here for a day. See if I can get this guy a little bit better angle. Alright, so it's getting there. There we go. All right, this is the final tightness. So let's go and get this cable to relax itself, or twist them back to where it should be. I don't really want to damage this cable, so I'm going to try to grip them lightly. But I need a little bit more finger muscle. So I'm going to do is clamp them with this a little bit, twist them. I'm going to put a little towel. Just give them enough here. There we go. Not even a lot. Put some paper to thicken it. All right. I'm sure I'm grabbing the cable. Oh, I'm not grabbing the cable. Yeah, it easy to come back to us. Take back your shape, man. There we go. Take back your shape, buddy. We don't need you to go through all that twisting. See him? It's bent out of shape. Yeah, I gotta try to help him get back into where he's supposed to be without scraping anything. Almost there. I think this is where he was happy. There we go. And that's it. Make sure there's no nicks or anything like that. You don't want any more harshness there on your cable. But at least we didn't have to shove him in, huh? It's a trade-off, I guess. Now what you can do is just to make sure he's relaxed, Can't go and go like this, wiggle him, and let his top part work him off where he's supposed to be. And it might. Okay, so let's see to make sure he's not damaged or anything like that. And come around. Look at the other side. Yeah, he's good. He's not that bad. Little C-clamp. Put a little chew on him, but it's only like really skin surface, so it's not like a deep cut wound or anything. So that's good. All right, so he's ready to be clamped down. Join the rest of the gang. Yeah, as long as the black insulator part, that's the one inside that's not broken, we should be okay. But yeah, this cable took a little twist from us. And we will keep the housing open for a little bit just to check out to make sure there's no permanent leaks or anything. That's really our main test. So let's get this guy over and lock him down. This is it, we're done. We're done with aligning. Now that would be so crazy if they told us this is not bi-directional and you actually have to put it back. We can, because these things are, both of them are the same length, so they would come back normally. But we need to cut it anyway. So let's go and bring this guy in. Oh man. All right, so we'll start lining them shortly. Give me 1 second, let me loosen them up some more. It's kind of tight, can't even get in there still. Okay, let's go further up. Got loosen some more. Twist it the way I can get to angle. All right, so how we're gonna do this here, you're just gonna save a little bit. Just like I said, you know, just have some, just kind of put between the first, you can feel it. There's the first bump here, and then the second one. Just want to make sure it locks, it doesn't roll down. So we're gonna put this one facing like this way, so it can go aligned the same way. Try to keep things consistent. You can see how this hose flows. You got this one coming like that. And then you got the other one at the very bottom there. You can see where the adapter is. It goes straight to, see, it's still on this side, so we're on the correct side here. It's a really beautiful day. Good day for recording and even going out. I think it's almost time. We just gotta get our reflector lights for cop's sakes. All right, so let's go ahead and tighten this down. Righty-tighty, please, clockwise. Notice I'm holding it from the back or just holding it from the base. Just want to hold it in alignment, because you will have to hold this in alignment. Don't let it twist wherever direction it feels like it. Okay. If we're doing it right, we should have 6 of those little extra rail protruding out. Oh, you know what? I'm a perfectionist guy. This looks like it's pushing back a little bit this way. I want to make sure it goes this way, not like that. So let me go ahead and unscrew this back. We already got this far, we might as well make it the way we want it, exactly. Yeah, I'm hoping there's no internal broke here, because that cable did take a beating. I might be able to test it out with some spare ones we have and twist it myself and see internally, does it really cause a lot of damage or anything like that. Okay, so that's correct. Nope, a little more. That's correct. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna hold it stable here, because I don't want it to go anywhere but here. So this is my perfect parallel alignment. See, when you try to twist it in, it sorts of. Yeah, it's still good. twist it by hand first, I guess. Tools doesn't go backward much. Okay, now it's going too much forward. Too much backward, too much forward. Let it rock. Okay, almost there. All right, there we go. Oh man. All right, let's see if it still twists. It still does twist, which is okay, because I need to twist it like this. Now I want to hold it there steady because I don't want it to go back a little bit more. It's going back enough already, so I think it's perfect back. Try to hold it there while I tighten this, driving it in. Now let's count the slacks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I can go 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe the other one is about 5 too. Let me double check. This is what I'm counting right here. They should be the same, so counting. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I believe this one was about the same. Maybe 6 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's about 5. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost on the 6th one. So this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost on the 6th one. So it's good. This is it. So you can just push this in a little bit. Help it not create any sharp areas, especially get away from the hose area. So there we go. Oh, you know what we forgot? Totally forgot. Did I torque this all the way to the very tighten yet? I think I did. But if I didn't, then it's gonna be another problem because I actually have to tighten it first before I actually adjust where my grain is. But okay, that's fine. I think I did. I'm not quite remembering now. So let's go ahead and righty-tighty. So clockwise will be coming forward to us. So let me go ahead and prepare it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten it.